see. That's interesting.
Then first we will discuss this kind of question, then we will link the same concept to this algebraic question also. Okay, please tell me that have you discussed this kind of question before also, or you are getting first time?
This I've seen for the first time ever. I've never actually seen a question like
No,
this.
but this is in your IB syllabus also.
This
This
is
is, yes, this is in your IB syllabus, even SL level. I'm not talking about the HL level, I'm talking about your SL level. Right?
really
Yes.
wait
I'm sure.
because maybe I have, but I'm not able to
In
recall
the
it.
in the chapter of functions, the function, domain, range,
I know,
there.
I know the domain range thing, but
So
okay.
this is a range. This is a range. See,
No, no, I
I'm
know.
talking.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay, so see. So for that, I will discuss. See, I can give you the result for this question also, or if you want, you can go through the logic also. But I will suggest we should go through the logic because
Yeah, yeah,
this is
sure.
a very, very important concept in your physics as well as in maths. In wave phenomenon, you will use this kind of calculation or manipulation. Please see. So now we are going to discuss the range of suppose 3 sine theta plus 4 cos theta. I have changed the question randomly, right? So what will be the logic behind this function for finding the range? You will think that, sir, if we have a single trigonometrical function like sine theta, cos theta, I can tell you the range very easily, right?
Yeah,
But here we have the two functions. That's why I am a little bit struggling. Okay.
yeah.
So can we do this way? Sir, I know that 3 sine theta will lies between minus 3 to 3, right? The 4 cos theta will lies between minus 4 to 4. Do you agree with this?
Yes. So we
So
just combine them.
if we add them,
That's what I
can
was
we write
thinking.
minus 7 to 3 sine theta plus 4 cos theta will less than equals to 7? It
Yeah.
seems to be correct, but this is not correct,
Okay.
right? It seems to be correct. So see, first of all, I am blocking all your incorrect way. Then
Yeah.
we will discuss the correct way. Okay. So this is incorrect. We will see how and why this is incorrect. So see, now we are going for the first logic that we will try to convert this function into a single trigonometrical function. Can you convert this? We have two trigonometrical functions. We want to write this in a single trigonometrical function. Is it possible to write them in a single trigonometrical function?
Both of these.
No, both of these equations, I want to write this Z. Z is 3 sine theta plus 4 cos theta. I want to write
Yes.
them as a single trigonometrical function. Any single trigonometrical function. Is it possible to write single trigonometrical function? This Z can be expressed
I
as a
mean,
single.
the only way I can see this happening is if you replace, let's say, cos with root of 1 sine.
No. Okay. Let's see. We have another way. Let's see.
Okay, let's see.
Can we divide? There are two ways. There are two ways to do this. First way is if we divide this complete expression by the 3 square plus 4 square root of 3 square plus 4 square. It means whatever the coefficient you will have, do the square and then the square root, right? And since we have divided, so we have to multiply it also to compensate it,
But
isn't
why?
it? Why you will realize very soon. But is it the same still? Z is Z, right?
Sure.
No change in the Z overall.
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay. So please see. Now it will become 3 sine theta plus 4 cos theta upon, this is what? This is 5. If you solve it, 9 plus 16, this becomes the 5. So this and into 5. Is it okay?
Hmm.
Now, if you bifurcate them, you will get 3 over 5 sine theta plus 4 over 5 cos theta, and this 5 you can write as it is. Right. Now, please see the magic. Please see the magic now. Not magic, actually, this is a mathematical theory. See, if you consider this fraction as sine alpha or cos alpha, this becomes the opposite, right? Let me write. See, suppose if you consider this ratio as a cos alpha, obviously this ratio becomes your sine alpha. If you consider this as a sine alpha, this becomes your cos alpha. Alpha is any other angle. You may verify. Suppose we are taking this one, cos alpha and sin alpha. So I'm deleting this other option to avoid the confusion. So I have assumed that let cos alpha is 3 over 5, right? Can you tell me if cos alpha is 3 over 5, what should be the sin alpha? Can you find?
4/5.
See, already it is written here. So that's correct. So if you assume this one as cos, this becomes your sine. If you assume this as sine, this becomes as cos. Whenever you do the division by square root of squares of their coefficients. Is it okay? Now, so now we
So the
have
value is 5.
cos, sorry.
Will the value be 5 here? Can't we assume? Okay, okay, please continue. Sorry, I interrupted. Yeah, you were saying.
No, no, see, this square root of 3 square, that is 9 plus 4 square, 16. 9 plus 16, 25. So square root of 25 is 5. Okay.
No, no, no. Okay, yeah, this part I get. Okay, okay, please
So
continue.
cos alpha into sine theta plus sine alpha into cos theta. My expression becomes like this into 5. So now tell me, uh, are you getting that this is based on a trigonometrical identity? Which trigonometrical identity it is? Do you know? Sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B.
Sine A into cos B plus cos B
It
into
is,
cos
yeah,
A.
it is sine
Yeah,
theta plus alpha. Please
yeah,
see,
that's yeah.
whatever it is into 5. You should do the reverse expansion. Please do. Will you get if you expand this sine theta plus alpha, will
Mm-hmm.
you get sine theta into cos alpha plus cos theta
Yeah.
into, okay, it means this is correct. It means, see, now we have written our z, see, we have written our z in a single trigonometrical expression, that is the sine. So now my sine is 5 times sine of theta plus alpha, where alpha is unknown only. But
It
if
doesn't
we,
matter.
it doesn't matter exactly. Now, can
Mm.
you tell me the range of this jet?
Okay, so this one will be simple. It's -5 through 5. -5 is
Correct.
real. 5 is
Now,
real.
because, yeah, because we know the sine theta plus alpha, whatever the alpha, we are not interested in alpha. It will always lies between -1 to 1, right? So
Mm.
now if we multiply all sides by 5, 5, 5, 5, so this is my z, isn't it? So
Mm.
now I can say that my z will lie between -5 to 5. So now you can also realize that this answer is wrong. -7 to 7, it will not possible ever.
Mm.
Have you understood this concept?
Yes, I understood it. So it's like you have to convert it. Let's say if it's two trigonometric things, you have to convert it into one, and after that you find the range, which will be simple afterward.
Yes, yes. So
But
this was, yeah.
but the main thing is the conversion, which is the tricky part. But okay, more
Yeah,
practice.
I have given you the full explanation. Now, we
Yeah.
can convert in other way also. If you
Okay.
assume, see, if we assume it's our assumption, now from here,
Okay.
I am taking the other route. I have z is equals to 3 over 5 sine theta plus 4 over 5 cos theta times 5. Now, if I assume this as sine alpha, and this as cos alpha, obviously.
Yeah.
So
Then it's
now
just
my identity changed. So now I will have which identity is sine A into sine B plus cos A into cos B. It is cos A minus B, right?
yeah.
It
See.
is cos theta minus alpha times 5. But see again, there will be no change in the range.
Mm.
Are you getting this?
Mm-hmm.
Now, so in conclusion, what I can say, What you have to remember now after getting these discussion?
Okay, I get it, but regarding the first question, then if we go back to the first
Wait, wait,
question,
wait, 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 wait.
sure, sure.
See, now the conclusion is if you have a sine theta plus minus whatever the middle sign b cos theta, it will always lies between minus of a square plus b square to plus of a square plus b square. This result you should remember. This is very useful result in many subjects like physics and maths also. Yeah, have you seen this result earlier? No.
Oh no, never, never. I've never actually
Okay.
seen it
So
before.
please, you should write it. It's a very
Okay,
important
now
result.
I get it. Now I get it. Okay, so now I can directly see how this can be applied in a above one
No,
because
no, no, directly not applied. Please see. Wait, wait, wait,
sure. Okay,
wait.
sorry, sorry.
Okay, see. So now, if you look this question, we have another restriction. This one also.
Uh-huh.
This is not directly applicable. How you can apply directly? Just I have said no. So see, the we have another way to prove this also, but I am relating this. Whenever see now this result will be applicable. See here it is the sine theta and here it is the cos theta, right? There is also a rule. See, if you add sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, isn't it? So see, this is the condition which is, you can say equivalently. Suppose if x is your sine theta, this y is your cos theta. So please see this condition, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. It is also applicable here as it is written x square plus y square is equals to 1, isn't it? So it means you have to find the greatest value of 2 sine theta plus 3 cos theta. Are you getting the
Yeah,
correlation?
yeah,
How I
yeah,
have
of
correlated?
course.
Now,
Yeah, that's what I was going to
it
say.
means, yeah, it means you can generalize this also. If you have, whenever you have x square plus y square is equals to 1,
Yeah,
the
then
range of ax plus by will be. Similarly, we can write it should be under minus of under root a square plus b square to a
Mhm.
square plus b square. Have you understood? See, we have another theorem to prove this, another way to say this, but I have used the relation. I have explained this one also, which is very important and necessary for you, and just correlated this result to this one. So, what should be the answer?
For this one, it'll be root 13.
Yes, root 30. Have you understood this one completely?
Yeah, this one I completely understand, but now genuine. Okay, now just another question, which is an extension of this. Let's say instead of x square plus 1 equal x square plus y square equaling 1, what if here instead it is equal to another value? For example, let's take for simplicity's sake 5. Then how will we solve this to find 2x plus 3y is maximum?
Then you can do another way. First of
Yes.
all, suppose 5 is written, so
Yes,
you
instead.
should, yeah. So you should write one variable. Suppose you make y as a subject, and then you will put the value of y here, isn't it? And then you will have a function in terms of x, and then you may use your maxima and minima concept after differentiating, finding the local minimum, sorry, stationary
Oh,
point, and then that will be a complicated one. That will not ask in your multiple choice
oh
question.
my God, this is
Are you
so
getting my
simple.
point?
Oh my God. So what essentially that's the way I was thinking about approaching this. What I was thinking is we can find like x in terms of y and then use maximum minima.
Yeah, that you can do, but
Oh,
that will be very complicated one. Okay.
complicated.
So the
Makes
purpose
sense.
of the examiner asking this one is these things that you should know.
Makes
This
sense.
trigonometrical is very important.
Uh-huh. Okay, makes
Okay.
sense.
So I have written these things for your notes also. Okay. Oh, sorry.